This video is sponsored by Professional Photographers of America.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a behind the scenes of a recent photo shoot that I did in this beautiful apartment in Brooklyn, New York. And I shot it using the Sony a7 IV and the brand new Sony 24-70 f2.8. If you haven't followed me yet, make sure you do to see all my newest uploads, and let's get right into the video. For this video, I really want to test out the 24-70. I just got it the previous day and I was really interested to see if the quality of image is that much better than the old 24-70 that I currently have. I also got the Sony a7 IV to test out with it because I thought it would be kind of fun to see how the new equipment performs. Before we get into the video, disclaimer, I have shot everything at ISO 1000. There is no reason to it. The only reason is I forgot to change the settings, so just bear that in mind. And now a word from my sponsor, Professional Photographers of America. Join a community of over 33,000 photographers that includes equipment insurance, education, and business tools made specifically for small business owners like you.
Here are some of the benefits of becoming a member. Firstly, you will get $15,000 worth of equipment insurance, which is incredible. You get full replacement coverage with a flat $350 deductible, or you can repair your equipment for a flat $50 deductible. PPA also gives you data recovery service and offers useful business resources in their customizable contracts. Anything from proposals and cancellation letters to model releases, copyright transfers, and so much more. With your membership, you can also take advantage of the PPA's educational platform that includes over 900 online videos, tutorials, and personalized curriculums on how to grow your photography business. Take a look at the link in the description and use the code for a special discount on your membership. Whether you are just beginning and want to start out on the right foot, or you've been at it for a while and you want to take your business to the next level, PPA is where you need to be. So for all of you that follow my channel for a while, you might have noticed that I've shot in this spot already. I shot here probably last year and it was super gloomy. It was still a very beautiful space, but it just wasn't the same without the light. So I decided to reshoot when the light is really beautiful. And I have to say it made such a huge difference to images. It was really, really gorgeous. We had this really beautiful golden light coming through. So we got to capture some really beautiful images. It was obviously a bit tricky with the light because one side was really bright and strong and the other one was way more muted, but I still really enjoyed it. Setup itself, I have to say I really enjoyed shooting on the a7 IV. I think it's a really cool camera, and especially if you don't have a budget for the a7R IV, I think it's a great option. To be perfectly honest, I think if I haven't had the a7R IV already, I would have probably gone for the a7 IV in the first place. And when it comes to the lens, I have to say I was really happy about the fact that it's a tiny bit lighter. However, saying that, my 24-70 is not that much heavier itself. It obviously helps to have a bit less weight on you, but at the same time, I don't find it such a huge deal as with the 70-200. One thing that has to be addressed when it comes to this lens is definitely the focusing. I know that it's supposed to be way better than in the old 24-70, and I have to say I was pretty impressed. There was really no missed focus and it was performing really well. If I zoom into the images, some of them are a bit grainy because I shot them at ISO 1000. However, I have to say the focus is still very on point. I have to say this was a very fun experiment. However, I am looking forward to testing out the lenses side by side to see how they perform and if there is much of a difference. But in general, I think it's a really solid lens. So if you are considering buying the 24-70, it's definitely one to keep in mind. Okay,
Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check out PPA and the link in the description below to get a discount. And I will see you guys in the next video.